Hello everyone, this is Sir Pao TV. Okay. So for this problem, ang gagawin natin dito for us to integrate this one is we can use the idea of binomial expansion. So remember, in binomial expansion, if maalala natin siya using the Pascal triangle, so let's have a review. Ang Pascal triangle natin is started sa 1, then we have 1, and then 1. Add natin ito, 1 to 1, and then we have 1, 3, add natin, we have 3, and then we have bring down 1, and then ibaba ulit yung 1, add, and then 6, and then 4, and then 1. This Pascal triangle is used in binomial expansion. So itong mga pile of numbers, ito yung nagre-represent sa ating constant na multiplier. Now, ano ang ginagamit natin when we use this Pascal triangle in binomial expansion? So say for example, we are solving a plus b squared. So if we are going to expand a plus b squared, we are going to use this Pascal triangle. So for this first pile ng number, this represent a plus b raised to 0. And then the next is a plus b raised to 1. And then this represents the a plus b raised to 2. So we are going to get this 1 to 1 as our multiplier. And then, for us to have a binomial expansion of this expression, we are going to put a and b for each term. And maglalagay tayo ng exponent for a and b. Now remember, pag naglagay tayo ng exponent sa a and b, kung ilan po yung total natin dito na exponents, so for this we have 2, dapat kada term dito, meron tayong a total of 2. So, we have 3 possibility na combination for a and b ng exponents nila na ang equal ay 2. So, what are those? For example, itry nating i-maximum yung exponent sa a, and then, ang b natin will have a 0 exponent. Then, habang mag-move tayo papunta dun sa last term natin, magdi-decrease ng isa yung exponent ng a, while yung b natin mag-i-increase naman siya ng isa. So, yung 2 dito magiging 1, and then yung 0 dito magiging 1. Pagpunta natin sa next term, yung 1 magiging 0, at yung 1 dito naman na sa b magiging 2. That's how we do expansion of expression using Pascal triangle. Then we simplify. 1 times a squared times b raised to 0. So we have 1, and then this one is 1 also, b raised to 0. So we have a squared. Plus, we have 2, we have a, and then we have b, and then we have 1 times a raised to 0 is 1, and then b squared we have b squared. So this is our expansion for a plus b squared. Now we can use this a plus b squared expansion to expand this y plus 1 over y quantity squared, and then afterwards i-apply na natin yung general power formula. So let us expand the integral of y plus 1 over y squared. So the equivalent of that is yung a natin, comparing these two, yung a natin represents yung y, and then yung b represents yung 1 over y. Thus, ibig sabihin po, pwede natin gamitin yung a squared, and ang a natin dito is y. So, y quantity squared. Plus 2 times what is a? Yung y. And what is b? Yung 1 over y. And then we have b squared. Ang b squared natin is yung 1 over y quantity squared. Then meron tayong expansion of y squared plus 2. Y times 1 over y is 1. And then we have 1 over y squared. So we are going to substitute this expression to this expression. And then apply the linearity theorem. So we now have y squared dy plus integral of 2 dy plus i-relocate natin yung y squared sa denominator and gawin natin siyang numerator. So magkakaroon tayo ng y raised to negative 2 dy. And sa lahat ng term, pwede tayong gumamit ng power formula. So meron tayo dito makukuha ang y, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times the quantity y raised to 0. So that's 1 over 1 plus y raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 and then plus c. So simplifying the results, we now have y cubed over 3 plus 2y minus 1 over y plus c. And this is now our final answer.